magandang shout out sa inyong lahat. So, first na shout out natin ang batang Smith, si Sadrak Pancho. Tapos syempre, next, shout out sa makagrupo ko, yan, lalo na si Paula Hernandez, shout out. Micaela Fernandez, shout out sa'yo. And shout out din sa mga kasama kong lector sa National Shrine of St. Michael and Archangels. And ayun, tapos na muna ang shout out segment and let's watch the vlog. Bye-bye! So, hello guys. Ayan nga, welcome kayo dyan sa aking creation ng Harry Potter. Okay, so, back in the day, this was released, yung model na ito, Model 4756, during 2004 as part of the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So, but before we continue about this Lego video, please do not forget to like this FB page of a new group called Black Flowers. Okay, so why? And this is important because as a part of the new generation of Filipino pop, or most likely known as Pinoy pop, we need to support our fellow countrymen in terms of showing new content, new type of music, and most likely is to promote our brand of being Filipino. And so I'm gonna plug the link here below once I uploaded this video. And please do not forget to like and share this FB page to all of the people we know. So let's go back to the video. Okay, sino nga ba yung nandito sa ating ginagawa? Siyempre, huwag natin kakalimutan si Harry Potter. But, he discovered something na si Professor Remus Lupin ay nagka-transform into a werewolf. At ayun nga, werewolf talaga siya. And what is this called? Sige, what is this called nga ba yung ginagawa nating malaking house? This is called the Shrinking Shack. So, this features Lupin, tapos let's not forget Sirius Black and si Peter Pettigrew. And ayun, may malupitang showdown dito. And as we see this Transformer, yan, marami tayong malulupit na magagawa. Ayan nga, kaya nating lagyan ng ulo ng werewolf si Professor Lupin. Yan. And let us not forget, may rat dyan. Sino nga ba yung rat? Scabbers! Sa mga naging pet ni Harry Potter. And yung isa, building na maliit, parang malaking na bahay, yon ang Honeydukes Bishop, pare. So, ayun. That's all. At syempre, part 2 ng pandemic. This was one of the good memories na nagawa natin, and I'm looking forward to collect more Harry Potter na mga Lego. And syempre, this is part of my collection. Yun. Then, ayun. See you again in our next vlog. Panoorin nyo pag-complete na yung creation natin sa ending part. So, ayun. Bye-bye!